Good morning, children. I hope everything is going well in the name of God. Welcome to GK class. Lesson 6 Common Carpentry. What is carpentry? It is a craft work made of wood by a carpenter. What is carpentry? It is a craft work made of wood by a carpenter. In your house, you have cot, chair, cupboard, table, doors. Isn't it? They all are made by carpenters. Next, we are going to see the tools used by the carpenter. They are pencil, marking knife, ruler, hammer, handsaw, chisel, cutting gauge, screwdriver, jack plane, backsaw and clamp. Children, now let us see the tools one by one. First one is pencil. This is the known tool for you, isn't it? The carpenters use the pencil to mark on the wood for designing, and according to the design they will cut it. Next one is marking knife. A marking knife is a woodworking tool. Ruler. Ruler is otherwise called scale. It is used to draw lines on the wood. Next one is hammer. A hammer has a head and a handle. It is used to hit nails into a piece of wood or a wall, to hang the photos or break things into pieces. Handsaw. This is used to cut the pieces of wood into different shapes. Chisel. It is used for a hard material such as wood or stone to cut it. Cutting gauge. It uses a pin to mark on the wood. Next one is gauge. It is a device used to find the thickness of the wood. Screwdriver. It is a tool used for screwing and unscrewing screws. Next one is jack plane. It is used to make the wooden hard surface into smooth surface. Children, next one is backsaw. It is used in woodworking for cutting. Next is clamp. It is used in carpentry, furniture making, welding, etc. I hope you all enjoyed this session. Be happy and make others also happy. Thank you, children.